Magandang gabi Pilipinas! Hello world! Josmar Hay na Banggi, mga kasurog. Ito pa rin po ang inyong pinaka-aabangang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Semifinals. Atid po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa. Ayan, we're headed to our second game ng ating double-header match-up sa pag-uumpisa ng ating semis dito po sa ating napakagandang liga at napakaganda po ang ating venue, ang Goa Sports Complex na kung saan ay punong-puno na po sa mga oras na ito.
Yes, partner, tama ka. Literal na goosebumps ang aking nararamdaman or talagang panindig, balahibo ang meron sa ating ngayong gabi dahil sa ingay ng crowd, dahil sa ating uling laro ngayong ating Quadro Magnifico sa semifinals dahil magtatapat ang hometown favorite at rising star ng 4th District na Team Goa headed by Coach Alfrancis Requinta at makakalaban nila ngayong gabi ang undefeated the powerhouse Naga City headed by Coach Nuki Sabio. And partner, syempre bago ang lahat, wag rin natin kalimutan ang kanilang mga standings pa sa nakaraang bigatin quarterfinals para malaman kung bakit sila naglalaban ngayong gabi.
Again, ulitin natin, yung Naga na mapapalaban ngayon dito sa home team na Goa ay merong 4 na panalo at walang talo sa naging bigatin quarterfinals natin. Yung Goa naman ay merong 3 panalo at 1 talo.
Yes, yun ang partner ng ating team standings bago tayo pumasok sa ating dito sa Quadro Magnifico. Since ang Team Naga is undefeated, they claim the number 1 seed in Bracket A, which gave them a twice-to-beat advantage against number 2 seed in Bracket B, which is the hometown Team Goa. Kaya win or go home ito for the Rising Stars Goa Wildcats. And partner, syempre alam ko, pinakahihintay na natin to. Pero bago tayo magsimula, magpakilala muna tayo. Ako nga pala si John Bachiller at your service kasama aking partner si Kapa Morgan, si Alex Madronio, bringing you this very anticipated match for tonight's ball game. Partner, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Oo, kanina kung very exciting yung unang laban natin na ang Sangay at ang Kamaligan. Nako, mas na-excite ako at mas kinakabahan dito sa magiging laban ng home team na Goa kontra sa bumibisitang mga taga Naga City.
Yes, partner.
Fiesta.
Magandang celebration to, Goa against Naga City. Partner, ang Team Naga is still undefeated in the bigatin quarterfinals dito sa elimination round and still. Pero sa tingin mo, partner, paano nila mariredo ng Goa ang historic win sa kanyang mga previous games?
Well, that big win against the perennial Team Iriga in the early goings of our bigatin quarterfinals is indeed a morale booster for the Goa Wildcats. And they can always look back and use it as an inspiration or a motivating tool for them to be able to redo an upset dito sa ating liga by making this undefeated and sabi mo nga, more favored Naga Cacereños bow to them tonight. Well, same nang matalo nila ang Arriba Iriga nasa sarili nilang court. Kagaya din ngayon na nandito sila sa kanilang sariling Goa Sports Complex. And malaking advantage ito dahil they have the 6-man advantage, which is the crowd, and this will surely be an additional source of energy for the team. Pero siyempre, iba ang kupunan ng Naga sa Iriga, kaya iba rin dapat ang kanilang maging atake. Dito makikita kung gaano sila ka-ready. The Goa Wildcats is a resilient team naman and they proved it against Arriba Iriga. Pero I think they must start strong offensively and a stronger defense is a must, especially controlling the Cacereños backcourt. Hindi nila totally mapipigil ang energy nitong sina Sablaon, Villaflor, and Almario and the rest of the guards ng Naga Cacereños, but they have to make it make it really difficult for them to control the tempo of the game and affect the possible rampage of their bigs, especially now na meron silang additional na 6'6", 16-year PBA veteran at ang isa sa tinaguriang extra rice duo na si JR Kinyahan. Nandyan pa ang presence nila Julius Tiburcio at Uwe Mendinilla. Well, impossible dream, but no matter how hopeless, no matter how hard it's going to be, they must rise to the challenge and take this tough task done, not tomorrow or not the other day, but tonight.
Yes, partner. Indeed, what a good insight, partner. I know Coach, the coach of both teams have adjusted well sa pinakakaabang larong ito. So, completing the third member of our panel is Miss Cassandra para kapanayamin ang ating kasurog matchup. Cassandra, magandang gabi sa iyo.
Magandang gabi mga kasurog. This is Cassandra Saton, your courtside reporter here in Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. For our second and last game tonight, we are going to witness Team Goa versus Team Naga. Ngunit bago nga sila maglaro, kumustahin muna natin ang dalawang kasurog player of the game na kasama natin ngayon. Let's start first with Team Goa. We have the silencer, Rafael Vivares. Raf, magandang gabi. Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon na nakapasok kayo sa semifinals? Dumagdag ba ang pressure o mas nangingibabaw ang pasasalamat o saya mo na umabot kayo sa semifinals?
Grabe ang excitement at ano namin sa laro kasi grabe daming papasalamat namin kasi nakapasok kami sa semis at motivated ang team. Yan lang po.
Ayan, thank you very much. Sunod naman sa Team Naga, we have Mr. Big Shot Bang Rufino, Bang Sablaon. Bang, magandang gabi. Umabot kayo ng semifinals with straight wins. Kaya naman, ano bang pakiramdam mo as of the moment? Nakakaramdam ka pa rin ba ng pressure o kaba o mas ine-enjoy mo na lang ang bawat laro nyo?
Enjoyment na lang po and ano lang, siguro hindi ka kakabahan kung sama-sama kayo together. Lalong-lalong sa grupo namin, marami na nangyari pero andito pa rin and dapat job well done kami ngayong gabi na.
Ayan, thank you very much for that, players, and good luck for your game. We are currently live at our social media platforms at Kong Zaldico page at page ng Ako Bicol Party List, and we encourage you to support us by subscribing to our YouTube and follow us on TikTok via Ako Bicol Cup. Balik sa inyo, Coach Jan and DJ Morgan.
Maraming salamat Cassandra sa mga players and good luck sa inyo. And syempre partner, meron tayong bago dito, yung ating Big 3 matchups. Partner, pasadaan natin to.
Oo, pasadaan muna natin yung Big 3 matchups natin. For Team Naga, we have Rufino, Bang Sablaon, Jerome Almario, and of course, nandito pa sa listahan natin si Aymar Sabayo pero hindi ko siya nakitang nag-warm up ngayon, but we will see. Okay, so tingnan natin yung kanilang 2-point average. Para kay Rufino Bang Sablaon, meron siyang 65%. Samantalang si Jerome Almario merong 58% at nakatulong din naman si Aymar Sabayo with 60%. And that's again for the 2-point average. Sa 3-point average naman, 43% for Bang Sablaon, 52% for Jerome Almario, and 33% for Aymar Sabayo. And sa average points na natin, diretso na natin doon 19.8 kay Bang Sablaon, 17.8 kay Jerome Almario, and 8.3 kay Aymar Sabayo. And para naman po sa kupunan ng home team na Goa, we have Gilbert Carorocan, Rafael Vivares, and Wawi Kadir. Para sa 2-point average, meron silang itong mga averages nila. For Carorocan, 59%. For Vivares, 57%. 54% naman para kay Wawi Kadir. At yung overall average points nila ay 16.3 para kay Gilbert Carorocan, 15.8 para kay Rafael Vivares, and 10.3 para kay Wawi Kadir.
Yan, magandang stats and partner. At para malaman namin ang dalawang kupunan na magtatapat sa ating huling laro ngayong gabi, the most awaited game sa ating jam-pack crowd dito sa Goa Sports Complex, the hometown rising star Team Goa kontra sa powerhouse Naga. At pag-usapan naman natin partner ng kanilang team stats in their previous outing sa quarterfinals.
Oo, sa previous outing nila sa quarterfinals, Naga ang medyo nakakalamang ng konti kontra sa Goa, 56% para sa 2-point average nila kontra sa 52%.
Wearing jersey number 24, Ryan Lusada. Wearing jersey number 28, GC Carorocan. Head coach for Team Goa, Mr. Al Francis Riquita. And for Team Naga, our guard number 1, Alexander Lim. For jersey number 19, Jerome Almario. Wearing jersey number 24, Julius Tiburcio. Wearing jersey number 27, Owie Mendidia. And wearing jersey number 37, J.R. Kinyaha. The head coach for Team Naga, Mr. Tuki Sabio. And officiating officials for this ball game, Crew Chief Arwin Mapula, Number 1, Jason Mohar, Number 2, Kimpi Bayonga. This is your Bigo Cup number Winnesur. Dito!
At yan po ang magiting na tinig ng ating arena announcer na si JV Salvidar. And right now, two men are facing to get the first possession of the ball game. And napunta po sa mga taga-Naga. Ang Naga Casereños ang merong unang possession for this much-anticipated ball game. Partner, good evening.
Good evening, partner. Si Jer Kenyan kicks the ball out to Alexander Lim. And what a good size crowd, partner. Grabe. Hindi mahulog ang Karayom. And Kadir intercepts the pass, gives the ball to Karurukan, and scores for two!
What a good finish for Gilbert Karurukan from Wawi Kadir.
Yes, ayan na. Medinilla against Luzada for 3. No good. Rebound by Julius Tiburcio. Tiburcio against 3 white shirts. And the ball will remain to Naga City Casereños.
And they have 12 seconds to shoot. Grabe yung excitement, partner. Championship atmosphere na naman ang na-experience natin dito sa loob ng Goa Sports Complex.
Tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Kinyahan with a short stab. And opens the scoring for Naga City. It's the 16-year veteran na si J.R. Kinyahan.
What a veteran move, veteran shot there na na-witness natin. Unang buslo ng mga taga-Naga.
Ayan na si Karurukan, fires for 3. Misses the shot. Alexander Lim grabs the rebound. Ayan na si Lim.
And he flied high for
Lim,
that.
skies, using the left, was blocked by Lozada. What an aggressive move on the part of Alexander Lim.
Again, ang Goa ay kailangang mapigilan ang backcourt ng Naga. Kailangan nilang, kung di man mapigilan, at least makontrol nila ito. Pahirapan nila na makapag-orchestrate ng mga plays for their big man.
Yes, yan na si Alexander Lim. I guess, sabi nila, si Alexander Lim, who hails is from Goa pala to.
Oo, kapatid
Yes.
niya actually si Oscar Lim na
Yes.
maglalaro din for the home team Goa.
Yes, so tingnan natin ang labanan ng magkapatid. So, away-away muna tayo pagdating sa court. Bati-bati
Oo.
tayo pagdating sa bahay. And yun na nga, the score is 3-2 in favor of Naga City. Ayan na si Bibares, 1-on-1 against these 2 scoring guards, partner. Ayan na. Kadir with the floater. Misses the shot. Tiburcio skies for the rebound. And binigay kay Alexander Lim. Alexander Lim looking for his teammates.
Masusubok.
And natawagan siya ng 8-second violation. And a uncharacteristic turnover on the part of Alexander Lim.
Masusubukan dito ang semi-hooks and one-handed lefty floaters nitong si Wawi Kadir.
Ayan na si Bibares. He check on the part of Bibares. Talagang sinusukat niya muna ang laro. And kitang-kita mo, partner, ang body language ng Goa Wildcats. They're here to thank their crowd talaga sa pagpunta, especially fiesta. So, kailangan bigyan nila ng magandang regalo ang mga taga-Goa ngayong gabi. Ayan na si Almario for 3. Kamo! And Jerome Almario drains the long bomb.
And that's the first 3-point shot of Jerome Almario in this ball game.
Ayan na si Lim, is ahead. Gives the ball to Almario, to Tiburcio with the fake. What a fake, partner, using the glass but misses the shot. Almario gives the ball to, and what a pass, partner, by Lim to Owe Medinilla. And Medinilla is in the line to shoot free throws.
At hindi na hinayaan ni Rico na makatira pa itong si Uwe Mendinilla dahil talagang very close to the basket na at napaka-high percentage na maititiran yon kung hindi niya talaga igagrab yung mga kamay nitong nagpiprito ngayon na si Uwe Mendinilla.
Yes, that is a play of foul for you talaga. No easy basket, no easy points talaga. Siguro ang pinaplano ng Goa because this Naga City squad is a very big squad. Kaya talagang kailangan nila mag-double sa effort sa pagdepensa.
Tama, tama.
Ayan na si
Sabi ko nga kanina, they have to start strong and dapat stronger yung kanilang defense.
Ayan na si Karurukan, turns the ball over. Almario drops it up to Tiburcio. But there is Rico sa ilalim, but Tiburcio finishes with the undergo stab.
But iba yung nangyayari po ngayon. It's Naga starting strong.
Yes, partner, the visiting team has a strong start right now. Ayan na si Karurukan, attacking, gives the ball to Luzada, short stab, misses the shot. Jerome Almario is rushing against Karurukan. Almario, in and out, gives the ball to Tiburcio, using the glass, misses the shot.
Hirap na hirap ang home team ngayon with their offense.
Ayan na, 2 white shirts battling for the ball, but yun na nga, hindi nila nakuha ang bola. So ang possession mapupunta sa Naga City Casereños.
Oo, mayroon pang miscommunication doon. Dalawang white shirts battling for the rebound against each other.
Ayan na, Almario for 3. No good, Luzada.
No lucky bounce there for Jerome
Grabs the
Almario.
rebound. Ayan na si Karurukan. Stops and pops and scores. And Karurukan is now with 4 points.
Siya pa lang ang pumupuntos para sa home team, Goa Wildcats.
Ayan na si Medinilla. Oh my God, akala ko partner.
Akala ko, ija-jam niya yun eh. He was just deflected, going strong to the basket.
Yes, partner. Owe Medinilla is very aggressive sa ating first quarter pala, partner. Talagang every possession talaga gusto niya lumusot na lumusot. And now, he is in the free throw line.
Because he is trying to make a statement as early as now. Ayan, meron pa, ano tayo, almost 4 minutes gone by dito po sa unang yugto ng ating laban. It's Naga 11 and Goa may 4 na puntos.
Yes, 2 for 2 on the part of Owe Medinilla. And the score is 12-4, lamang ng 8 points. Ang Naga City with 6 minutes and 23 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Good start for Owe Mendinilla.
Ayan na, Luzada with a layup and scoring for 2.
Knockout shot yon, partner!
Yes, ang Alahoy na tira talaga. Talagang binigyan niya ng ganong tira kasi papunta na yung depensa ng Team Naga. Ayan na si Tiburcio attacking the baseline. Uses the ball. And yun na nga, a turnover on the part of Julius Tiburcio and the ball will go to Team Goa.
And malamang may mga nagtatanong kung bakit merong mga bagong players na naglalaro ngayon dito sa ating semifinals. Well, baka maya-maya matanong natin si Coach Pao Biñas kung bakit. We will just try to feed you with more information regarding about this. Makikita nyo for Team Naga, we have JR Kinyahan. Oh, another foul.
Ito nga, partner. Medyo naisahan si Vivares to ni Jerome Almario. Kumbaga, cooler heads prevail talaga on that sequence, partner. Medyo nagkakagirihan sila, pero this is a playoff basketball, so you have to be focused in order for you to win this kind of ball games.
Kung puputok dito si Rap Vivares for Team Goa, meron silang mas malaking tsansa in winning this ball game.
Ayan na si Kinyan against Kadir with a follow away.
Nice!
And what a
Spin!
shot, partner. And
Veteranong-veterano talaga,
Yes,
partner.
yung piso.
Wala akong masabi.
piso-piso jump shot ni JR Kinyan talaga yung binabayaran na si Vivares. Corner 3. No good. Rebound by Jerome Almario.
Out of bounds.
Pero hindi mo na masasabing extra rice pa ang katawan ngayon ni JR Kanyahan, partner, di ba?
Yes, very, kumbaga, kondisyon na kondisyon talaga. Inaalagaan yung katawan niya. Ayan na si Medinilla. Gives the ball to JR Kinyahan. Top of the key 3. Attacking. Using the glass but misses the shot. Kadir grabs the defensive rebound. Ayan na si Karurukan. Against Owe. Crosses over. Against JR Kinyan. Attacking. But there is Vivares and Kadir.
And finally, Kadir making that putback.
Cleaning up the mess for Team Goa. Ayan na si Almario against Vivares for 3. In and out. Karurukan is ahead. Gives the ball to Vivares. Vivares attacks using the left hand but misses the shot.
Maalat pa rin yung si Rap Vivares.
Ayan si Almario. Taps the ball to Lim. Lim kicks it out to Owe Mendinilla for 3. No good. Rebound by Luzada. Ayan na si Karurukan against Alexander Lim. Karurukan is in attack mode. Gives the ball to Rico for 3. No good. Alexander Lim is ahead.
And that's a good play. Good defense on the part of Gilbert Karurukan and
Yes.
Rico.
Yes, partner talaga trying to chase down the offensive player, kaya nagtagumpay sila doon, and ang bola mapupunta sa kanilang side with 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. The score is 14-8, lamang pa rin ang Naga City Casereños.
Ang motto ngayon ng Goa is no easy shot for Naga.
Yes, ayan na si Vivares, gives the ball. Pero tinapik ang bola ni Uwe, and ang bola mapupunta sa Goa with 14 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Ayan na si...
At meron na lamang tayo, partner, 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining dito sa unang quarter ng ating duel between Goa and Naga.
Yan na nga, pumasok na si Consi Michael Pan to add shooting or scoring power pagdating dito sa Goa, replacing si Rico. Ayan na si Karurukan against Bang Sablaon. Gives the ball to Kadir. Kadir with a teardrop. Floater, misses the shot. Ayan na. Alexander Lim is ahead against Karurukan. And he was bumped. And he was fouled by Colbert Karurukan and will troop to the line for 2.
Foul by number 20, GC.
Makalamang po ng 6 na puntos ang mga dayong Naga Casereños against sa home team na nagdiriwang ng kanilang kapistahan ngayon, ang Goa Wildcats.
Yes, partner yan. Alexander Lim. After that drive to the basket, he was fouled, and talagang
Good shot from the free throw line for Alexander Lim. At syempre nagdagdag yan sa score ng Naga. As we get ourselves closer and closer to the end of the first quarter, 3 minutes and 54 seconds. So under 4 minutes na lang po tayo.
ayan na si Consi Michael Pan, gives the ball to Karurukan. Ayan na si Vivares. Karurukan. Kadir with a floater, misses the shot. Kinyan grabs the rebound. Ayan na si Lim. What a pass, but there's Vivares to deflect the pass.
I think Wawi Kadir needs to inch a little closer to the basket.
Yes, Karurukan misses the shot. Ayan na si
Ayan
Uwe.
na, ang slam dunk.
Uwe Mendinilla flies and scores for 2.
Kung wala doon si Consi Pan, ay nako, siguradong slam dunk yun.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Wawi Kadir has to take those mid-range jumper instead of those low percentage of floater. Kaya yan na si Jer Kinyan. Kicks it out to Bang Sablaon for 3.
Bang!
What a pass to Jer Kinyan to the streaking Bang Sablaon with an open 3. Hindi naman siya pinahiya. And the score is 20-8 in favor of Naga City. This is just a 12-point lead, partner. So far, this is the biggest lead of Naga City.
Dito sa ating first quarter. At pinakita naman ng mga locals kay JR Kinyahan kung paano nila i-welcome ang isang invited player dito sa ating napakagandang ligang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Yes, kasama niyo po si Kapa Morgan with John Bachiller, giving you the best play-by-play and best analysis of the ball game that we can give you. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo dyan saan man kayo ngayon. Nandito man kayo sa loob ng ating Goa Sports Complex kung saan live po tayong napapanood, or kayo man ay nasa inyong mga tahanan. I hope you're enjoying it, and I hope na hindi kayo natitensyon.
Yes, partner. Marami talaga nanonood sa atin dito sa live, lalo-lalo na sa ating Facebook page. Subatiin ko ang asawa ni Ma'am Jody na si Gian Carl Bruno-Obra, who is watching from Iloilo pa. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Ayan si Consi Pan. Misses the shot, but there is Nidwasa grabbing the offensive rebound but misses the shot. Ayan, Nidwasa again. That fakes, fall away.
Wala pa rin.
And Gino Padua trying to clean up the mess, and he was fouled, and mapupunta siya sa free throw line.
Foul by number 10.
Ayan, it's Padua off the bench. And right now, nasa free throw line siya. He needs to make these 2 free throws and making that one count. Second shot will not. Pero nandun si Abe Nedwasa, makulit na gustong ma-regain ng possession, and right now it's their ball.
First personal foul, third team foul. Substitution. Again, sa mga audience, huwag po tayo gagamit ng flash sa pagbuwag.
So meron tayong mga fresh legs, partner.
40 seconds.
Yes, Serena Vivares inbounding the ball. Gives the ball to Michael Pan. Vivares for 3. Fake. And Vivares again takes the shot, misses the shot, bangs a Blaon, secures the rebound, gives the ball to Villaflor. And yun na, JR Quinyan fakes, kicks it out to Villaflor. Aureliano sinks the long bomb. Yun na nga, partner, it's
Yan.
raining threes as early as first quarter here in Goa Sports Complex.
Aureliano off the bench making that 3-point shot.
Ayan na, Vivares attacks against JR Quinyan using
Finally!
the left hand and scoring for 2.
Finally, for Rob Vivares, naka-field goal siya against this giant,
Quinyan.
Kenyahan.
Yan ang partner. That is a good sign on the part of Vivares. Struggling siya sa outside. So, he opted to take those layup. Kaya naman para makuha ang kumpiyansa niya. Yan na si Vivares.
Tama yung ginagawa niya.
Gives the ball to Karurukan. With 8 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock ni Duasa. Block by Madridano. Gino Padua secures the rebound with 3 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
That's a 4 shot.
What a block, partner, by some Madridano.
To Abi Nedwasa. Hindi nakapag-fake itong si Abi Nedwasa. Diretso tira. At diretso talo naman itong si Madridano for the block.
Ayan na si Vivares serving the floor. Vivares stops and pops for 3.
Ayan na!
Vivares is now smelling blood talaga. Unti-unti na. This kid is fun to watch, so pakaabangan natin because this kid can shoot the lights out in any given day. Ayan na si Villaflor.
And he can penetrate also.
Misses the shot and the ball will remain to Team Naga Cacereños.
Vivares is a threat from both outside and inside for the home team Goa.
And Aureliano inbounding the ball gives to Joshua Villaflor. Villaflor fakes. Villaflor attacks, kicks it out to Madridano for 3. No good. Rebound. And what a sequence on the part of Naga City. Ayan na si Vivares, flies and scores but misses the shot. Plaza, what a pass. Gives a sorry miss. Ayan na si Aureliano, gives the ball to Nidwasa. And grabe ang effort ni Julius Tiburcio on diving those loose balls, partner. I hope he's okay. And
Oo. Muntik nang tamaan yung camera natin, yung cameraman. But he's okay now.
First personal foul penalty.
Grabe yung battle na nararanasan natin dito, Wadi. At
Yes. Partner, wala na ako. Minsan nabablanko ako sa sobrang ganda ng laro talaga. Partner, this is just the Quadro Magnifico or yung semifinals natin. What more, partner, pag doon na tayo sa ating finals.
sinasabi ko nga sa'yo, appetizer pa lang ito.
Oo, partner, ayan na si Aureliano. Misses the first free throw. And yun na nga, partner, maraming salamat talaga sa pagsuporta sa ating liga. Siyempre, headed by ang ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico.
At
ng
ng
Ako
Ako
Bicol
Bicol
Party
Party
List katabang na.
Kasurug pa.
Kasurug pa. And siyempre, yun na.
Naga is leading by 9 points in this ball game.
Ayan na si Vivares, heavily guarded. Nedwasa kicks it out to Plaza for 3. And, what a shot by Plaza. Much to the delight of the fans of Goa talaga. This kid is a future of Goa basketball. Ayan na si Bang against Consi. Bang fakes, fishing for a foul, but misses the shot. There is Plaza ahead.
Hindi na umabot.
And that ends our first quarter with the score of 23-17 in favor of Naga City Cacereños.
And hindi na nga umabot yung tirang yon ni Consi Pan, Michael Pan. Ooh, what a beautiful parang nag-skate doon si Gilbert Karokan sa unang tira yon ng ating ball game. Pero right now, as we end our first quarter action, nakakalamang po ng 6 ang Naga Cacereños. Pasalamatan natin yung mga sponsors natin. Mercedes Bay, located in the Cagraray Islands. And of course, Highlands Legazpi, Hotel St. Elise, and Hotel Venetia. Siyempre pa, once again, maraming salamat sa mahal nating Congressman Saldico at ang Ako Bicol Party List for bringing Ako Bicol Cup dito sa Camarines Sur. And of course, we'd like to greet Congressman Jill Bongalon. Happy wedding day. Congratulations.
Congratulations. And back to our ball game. The leading scorers for sa nakaraang first quarter, si Owe Medinilla scoring 5 points, and on the part of Goa, si Vibares nakabuslo ng 5 points, and si Culber Karurukan with 4 points. And kumbaga very evenly ang scoring ng both teams. So tingnan mo naman, very evident talagang dikit na dikit ang laro, and lamang lang ng 6 points ang Naga City.
Pero for the big man ng Goa ay hirap na hirap itong si Wawi Kadir na makapuntos sa harap ng mas matatangkad na mga players, the likes of JR Kinyahan as the new acquisition ng Team Naga.
Yan na si Bang against 3 white shirts. What a pass, partner. But yun na nga. Grabe, partner. Sorry, miss on the part of Goa. 2-point blank shots talaga hindi nila naipasok. Ayun na, pinasok na si Lim. Dalawang Lim. Wala. Yes. Magkalaban ngayon ng magkapatid. And si Oscar Lim gives the ball to Consi. Step back 3.
Bang! Nice shot from the counselor, Michael Pan.
Yes, partner.
That one was brought to you by Mercedes Bay.
Yan, natawagan ng 5 seconds.
That's just a long 2. Natirang yon ni Consi, Michael Pan.
Yes, partner. Nagugulat ako sa partner, and the score is 19-23. 4 na lang ang kalamangan ng Naga City.
And it's just a minute gone by. And we're looking at some VIPs na nandito ngayon sa loob ng Goa Sports Complex. It's going to be a baseline inbound for the home team, Goa Wildcats. Vibares throwing it, looking for a teammate. Nakita si Pan.
What an inbound play on the part of Goa Wildcats. A well-executed play. That is a timeout for you, partner. Kumbaga, dyan talaga binabayaran mga coaches to design plays like that.
Exactly.
And what a sequence of starstruck partner. Ayan na si Vibares. Gives the ball to Padua. Padua attacks. There is Julius Tiburcio. And ayun na nga. The case of Gino Padua, after that turnover, medyo na-frustrate siya, and he committed a foul over Julius Tiburcio. Double block in the part of Padua.
It's a block party.
Yes, partner, talagang naagawan siya. And yun na nga, nanggigil siya at na-foul niya si Julius Tiburcio. And watch out for this matchup, partner, Padua versus Tiburcio inside the paint.
Yes, it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be full of banging buddies.
Ayun na si Almario. What a crossover, partner.
Kaya lang nakawala yung bola sa kanya.
But he loses the ball. And this is just a 1-point lead on the part of Naga City Casireños.
Grabe yung crossover na yon ni Jerome Almario. Talagang iniwan yung kalaban, pati yung bola. Naiwan.
May sasabihin ka pa ba?
Wala na.
Wala na.
Ayoko na magdugtong.
Akala ko may sasabihin ka pa. Wala na pala. Ayun na nga.
Baka gusto mong dugtungan.
Ang ating magiting na hardworking men ng Bicol Cup, ang talagang ever reliable na si Job talaga.
Oo.
Masyadong marami na exposure mo dyan, bata.
Grabe. Kung baka map, parang gigil na gigil. Parang gustong tanggalin yung pintura eh.
Akala ko gusto humingi ng bonus sa mga ganyang klaseng pagmamap. And maraming salamat talaga sa inyo, sa mga hardworking men and people ng Ako Bicol Cup. Saludo sa inyong lahat.
Pero partner, isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Naga.
Yes.
And things are turning out well for the Goa Wildcats.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Plaza. Adding firepower and scoring dito sa Goa. Ayan na si Plaza. Bombs for 3.
Bang!
And Plaza is now a man on a mission.
Maagang nag-practice yan talaga kanina ng shooting niya. Siya yung nadatnan ko dito na nagpa-practice.
Ayan na si Uwe against Oscar Lim. Uwe Bumps gives the ball to Joshua Villaflor. Kicks it out to Bang. For 3. No good. Rebound by Plaza. Goa is rushing. Ayan na si Vivares. Hops. What a pass, but ace.
Sayang yon!
Gino Padua fumbles the ball. Ayan na si Lim. Attack. Blocked by his brother, Oscar Lim.
Yan!
And that is a Kubigan
Walang
Kawayo.
kapatid! Walang kamag-anak!
Yes, partner.
Purely basketball!
This is indeed a good matchup of brothers. What a block. Ayan na, partner. Lim. And there is Kuya blocking the shot.
You can see that stare
Yes,
from
again.
the younger Alexander Lim kontra sa kanyang kuya na si Oscar Lim.
Yun na nga, partner talaga. And yun na nga.
sabi ko sa'yo
Inapiran pala kapatid niya. Yun na nga, partner. Yun talaga, yung mga panganay talaga minsan nambubuli yan, partner.
Tama.
So,
Pinaparamdam na, uy, panganay ako.
sa bahay, kotong ka sa akin. Ayan na si Alexander Lim hearing the oohs and ahs sa crowd and very happy yung Goa dahil nagbintis sa 2 free throw.
Nakuha pa ng kanyang kapatid ang rebound.
Yes, ayan na si Plaza.
What a move!
Grabe, partner, in and out dribble. Plaza kicks it out to Vivares for 3. This is the shot. Kadir grabs the offensive rebound. And the shot clock is 12 seconds. Consi Michael Pan for 3. And the crowd goes wild. And that shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. Grabe, partner. Lamang na ang Goa Wildcats ng 5 points.
All of a sudden, ganon kabilis ang mga pangyayari. And again, things are turning out right for Goa right now.
Yes, partner.
Dito sa early goings ng ating second quarter.
Ayan na si Kinyan. Gives the ball to Alexander Lim against his brother. Kinyan attacks. Medium range. Misses the shot. Kadir grabs the rebound.
And they have the possession right now.
Ayan na. Plaza surveying the floor. Gives the ball to Vivares against Bang Sablaon. Kadir with the floater using the glass. Misses the shot.
Hindi pa rin umiepekto yung mga one-hander nitong si Wawi Kadir.
Kinyan. Top of the key three. Kaboom!
Easy as that.
Silencing the crowd of Goa with that booming triple is J.R. Kinyahan.
Sabi ni JR, simplihan lang natin mga brother.
Yes, partner. Siyempre si J.R. Kinyahan used to play like this sa mga crowd na ganito. Yan na si Plaza. Misses the shot.
Short on that one is Plaza.
Yun na nga, partner. Mabalik tayo sa kay J.R. Kinyahan. Talagang sanay siya sa ganitong mga klaseng laro. Yung talagang dikdikan at maraming tao. Ayan na, Kinyahan. Back-to-back threes. Part of J.R. Kinyahan. And yun na nga, partner. Back-to-back threes on the part of J.R. Kinyahan. Pero meron tayong foul na nakita dito between Lim and Tiburcio. I guess tingnan natin kung ano magiging hatol ng ating mga referees.
Well, that basket count.
Yes, I guess kasi sumenyas ang
Tama,
ating referees.
Well, by number 6, Oscar Lim.
Sabi sa inyo, sabi ni JR Kanyahan, simplihan lang natin.
Lim, second personal foul, third team foul.
Ayan, 29-28, nakakalamang na naman po ng isa ang kumpulan ng Naga. Ang Naga Casereños against this home team, na Goa Wildcats, kung saan kanina ay nakalamang na ng 5 puntos. Pero nabawi ng dalawang consecutive 3-pointer nitong malaking mama na si J.R. Kinyahan. Good pass.
What a
Good shot.
stab. Partner, kita ko kanina yung backpick na binigay ni J.R. Kinyaan. Nagulat si Consi Pan. Grabe naman yun, partner. And just like that, lamang na ulit ang Naga City ng 3 puntos. Ayan na si Kinyaan, is ahead. Nabitawan ng
Losing
bola.
the ball.
Ayan na si Tiburcio sa ilalim but misses the shot. Rico grabs the defensive rebound. Rico.
Oh, losing the ball.
On the bounce.
I guess Colbert Karurukan should get the ball talaga kasi Rico is not a point guard. So talagang as early as pag na-rebound nila, dapat lumapit ng mga guards ng Goa to secure the possession.
Actually, Karurukan is asking for the ball. Kaya lang medyo malayo yon para kay Rico. And parang sabi niya, kaya ko naman itong i-dribble and cross the mid-court.
Ayan na Kinyan using the glass, misses the shot. Ayan na Tiburcio again sa ilalim with the undergoal snap, misses the shot. And natapik ni Rico sa goal sa goal ng Naga. So it will be counted pa rin. And ayan na si Rico.
So it's a 3-point, or make it a 5-point lead now.
Consi Michael Pan against Villaflor. Consi fakes, kicks it out to Rico. Rico attacks, drops it up to Oscar Lim and using the glass for 2.
Maganda yung pasensya na ipinakita nitong si Michael Pan.
Yes, tama ka dyan. A good patient offense on the part of Goa talaga. Ayan na, the sixth-man crowd is now involved. Tiburcio against Lim. Kanina pa, his rip. Ayan na, Tiburcio.
Both teams are down. Oscar Lim and Tiburcio battling heavily for that ball.
Foul by number 6, Oscar Lim. Third personal foul for team foul. Warning for penalty.
So it's Oscar Lim was called for that foul, and it will be Naga Cacereño's ball. 14 seconds.
Ayan na si Lim inbounding the ball with 4 minutes and 59 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Bang Sablaon, what a pass! That is NCF connection partner. They've been teammates sa Naga College Foundation for years, kaya alam na nila ang mga galawan ng bawat isa.
That's the luxury of having teammates na talagang magkakabisado na ng mga laro.
Finally, Kadir drops his teardrop with a good pass na galing kay Nidwasa. Yun ang partner on the side of Goa talaga. This is a good sign kasi halos lahat nakakahawak ng bola bago makashoot ang kanilang opensa. So this is a good sign. Ayan na si Tiburcio at the post against Nidwasa. Tiburcio gives the ball to Villaflor for 3. Bang! What a shot by Joshua Villaflor and a good pass by Julius Tiburcio.
Naalala ko tuloy yung kanyang step back 3 sa laro nila against Nabua sa last game nila sa Bigatin quarterfinals.
Karurukan with the spin. What a pass to Kadir and challenged by Tiburcio. And Goa bench is now asking for a foul pero hindi sila natawagan. Ayan na si Bang Sablaon for 3. No good. Rebound by Kadir. Ayan na. Goa is on the run. In and out dribble ni Kadir. What a pass kay Nidwasa.
Hesitant itong si Abe Nidwasa to make that strong move closer to the basket and make that shot.
Yes.
Because of the presence of J.R. Kenyahan.
Ikaw ba naman makakasalubong ng 6'6" center na si J.R. Kenyahan with those talagang those wide body talagang magdadalawang isip ka. And for sure kung talagang sinalaksak niyo na masasapal siya doon. But good effort on the part of Nidwasa.
Tama.
Ayan na si Michael Pan for 3. Misses the shot. J.R. Kenyahan secures the rebound. Gives the ball to Alexander Lim. Ayan na si Lim. 1-on-1 against Karurukan. Uwi against Vivares. J.R. Kenyahan for 3.
Same spot, same result.
And he is now talking to Wawi Kadir. And grabe partner. The lead is now up to 9 points with 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Ayan na si Karurukan against Alexander Lim. Karurukan gives the ball to Vivares. Top of the key 3. No good. And the ball.
It will be Cacereño's ball.
Na partner, kita mo, pagbalasan ng tao ni Coach Nuki talaga. Very, yun na nga, pinagpahinga si Joshua Villaflor at pinasok na si Jerome Almario who is still struggling sa larong ito. But for sure, and now partner, meron na tayong 8,100 viewers partner.
Grabe.
Who is watching right
The
now.
highest so far.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And J.R. Kenyahan continues to struggle sa kanyang mga post. Pero yun na nga, maraming salamat sa walang sawang nanonood sa ating Facebook Live and sa pagsuporta sa aming liga. Ayan na si Vivares. Open for 3. No good. Rebound by Sam Madridano.
He missed about,
Lim
3.
kicks it out to
3
Jerome
attempts.
Almario for 3.
Wala pa rin.
Uwe, Skies for the rebound. But misses his shot. Uwe again with a short stop. Blocked by Vivares.
And it's going to be
Out of bounds.
still Nagas basketball. After those made shot attempts. Or Ayan ba pinalitan si Kadir ni Padua, who will be in charge for the bigger guy. J.R. Kenyahan.
Ayan na si Almario against Vivares with a fake. Almario attacks. Sinabayan ni Gino.
Other pass. Team Goa Small.
What a defense on the part of Padua. Deflecting the pass and nahawakan pa ni Almario yung bola. Na bola mapupunta sa mga taga Goa.
And even itong si Jerome Almario is nahihirapan sa kanyang offense tonight.
Si Karurukan, short stab. And he was fouled in the act of shooting. Kaya mapupunta siya sa ating charity stripe.
It's a 9-point lead. Naga, 2 minutes and 7 seconds.
Alexander Lee, third personal foul, second team foul.
Yes, partner. It is a bad news on the part of Naga City sa Alexander Lim. Meron ng 3 personal fouls. So talagang medyo...
But they need not worry kasi madami silang backcourt players like si Asuwer, hindi pa nga nagagamit.
Yan na, partner. Pinasok na si Asuer.
Pinasok na ba?
In replace of Alexander Lim. Ayan na si Karurukan. Misses both free throws. Uwemi Danilla skying for the rebound. Ayan na si Asuer.
2 minutes.
Gives the ball to J.R. Kinyan. Top of the key 3 again. No good. Rebound by Karurukan. Ayan na si Karurukan. Crosses over. Uwemi Danilla. Karurukan struggling to regain the possession. But there is Jerome Almario. Gives the ball to Losada.
Losada losing the ball also.
Asuer. Madridano skying high and scoring for 2.
Samuel
Good finish on the part of Madridano.
Yes, yun na nga. This is just the biggest lead of our ball game. May nasi Vivares slip. And what? Oh, I guess. Yun na nga, Almario misses the shot.
Vivares is hurt.
Yes, Vivares is hurt. Yun na nga, partner. Sa case, medyo madulas. Madulas talaga ang floor. So,
Team Goa.
Oh. Medyo talagang yung kaba natin hindi mawala-wala because of the intensity of this ball game.
ayaw nating makita mga ganyan. Yung klaseng mga aksidente. Na.
We would like to acknowledge
Okay,
the
we're
presence of the councilors of Goa.
Oo, nasa screen natin ngayon si Councilor Ana Broquesa and Pinky Avila. So maraming salamat po mga Council for gracing the occasion.
And partner, speaking of shoutouts talaga, batiin ko partner kanina ang Panuelos family who invited us. Kami kanina, pinapunta kami dun sa bahay nila para kumain. Panuelos family, Ricafort family, Postrado family. And si Barangay Captain Nilo Ricafort ng Barangay Panilay. And special mention to Garrett Piso, Ashley Benedicto, Nelson So of Qatar who is watching right now. Talagang even sa Qatar daw nanonood sila. Maraming salamat kanina sa pag-paunlak and pagpunta sa amin. Salamat sa inyo sa pagpakain. And shoutout din po sa mga kaibigan natin si Justin, Iyo, and si Kese who is watching right now. And syempre, yung aking mga kaibigan sa Syndicate de Carabao Boys, magandang gabi din sa inyo. And shoutout rin kay Sir Butchoy Paranal, Zonehead ng PLDT Bicol. Magandang gabi po sa panonood. Salamat sa inyong lahat.
Pinakain ba mo kayo?
Yes, partner.
Sana all.
Ang sarap ng igado kanina.
Sana all.
Doon sa bahay ni na Panuelos family. Malapit lang dito. Malay mo, mamaya.
Sana all.
May natira pa sila doon at puntahan natin.
Baka ipahatid na lang.
Yun na nga, the score
Well,
is...
buti naman at bumangon itong si Rap Vivares and inilabas na yung stretcher. Medyo kinabahan ako doon pero good thing. Nasa bench na lang siya, nagpapahinga.
Yan na si Karurukan. Medium range jumper, misses the shot. Losada grabs the offensive rebound. Losada.
Looking for a teammate. And merong foul ang referee.
Number 27. 17. Jojo Suwer. First personal
Alam mo,
foul.
ganitong
Third team foul.
ka-intensified na game, hindi tayo, kumbaga, ano tayo, kalmado lang at tiwala tayo sa mga officials natin.
Yes, partner. Tama ka dyan.
Lalo pat nandito ang ating butihing Mr. Jojo Bilen.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Who is watching, talagang masusing nanonood para mabantayan ang ating mga laro. Para maging
Tama.
maganda at maging ma-improve pa ang ating liga.
And siyempre, and walang humpay po ang mamap ni Job ng ating floor for the safety of our players.
8 seconds.
Karurukan fires for 3
And
and
that's
drains
good.
the bomb. And a much needed score on the part of Goa talaga to stop the bleeding. And
Tama,
now,
tama.
this is a 10-point lead.
The clock is winding down. It's 35 seconds.
And Uwe misses the shot, but there is Losada grabbing the rebound.
And merong possession ngayon ang Goa Wildcats with Losada having the ball.
Gives the ball to Rico for 3. Short rebound ni Padua.
At na-foul doon si Madridano malapit sa baseline. Contesting for that rebound with against Padua.
Samuel Madridano. Second personal foul for team foul. Warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot.
Yan na si Michael Pan. With a short jumper. Misses the shot, but there is Losada. So clean up the miss.
Oh, what a sorry miss.
But a sorry miss on the part of Goa. Ayan na si Uwe. Karurukan. Beating the clock is Culver Karurukan.
What a hustle from the guy with the muscle.
Yes, partner. Tama ka dyan. Beating the clock. Yes, Culver Karurukan, and the score is 37-45.
It's just a 7 or make it 8-point lead sa pagtatapos po ng ating unang half dito sa battle between Naga Cacereños and the home team Goa Wildcats. Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Diyan sa logo, diyan sa logo. 5 lang ha, 5. 1,000 pesos. Lima lang ha, 5. Strikers, pabigay naman ng bola. Ito ay handog sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Party List ni Congressman Sandy Po at ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur din. Oh, three! Wala. Sayang ang chance, 1,000 yan. Wala. Wala pa rin. Dapat shoot yan, home court eh. Sayang. Layo. Pwede naman ilapit pa ng konti. Wala pa rin. Oh. Ay, nako. Maglatong-latong ka na lang, boy. Yeah! Pwede naman ilapit. Pwede ilapit. Oh, tama na yung pila. Tama na. Oh, buwag yan. Sobra. Huwag tayo magdagaya. Oh! Kita mo? Kita mo? Kung nagdaya ka, hindi yun shoot. Yung nanalo ng 3 points, magbi-big boy mamaya. Patay. Oh! Dalawa na! Tatlo na lang! Oh! Tatlo na! Oh, dito na yung nanalo! Yung nanalo dito! Wala. Dapat umabot sa babae na tumiro. Wala pa rin. Oh, apat na. Okay na, 5-5. Tapos na. Okay, so ito. Anong pangalan mo? Lolo. Okay, congratulations. Lahat kayo may 1,000 peso from Ako Bicol Party List at ng Ako Bicol Cup. Picture daw kayo, picture muna sa mga nanalo. Charmaine. Ano masasabi mo sa Ako Bicol Cup?
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Okay, picture daw muna, picture.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa mga sa gabi.
Maaasahan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadapulan ang tabak ni Kisamuya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Nagbabalik po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Semifinals Quadro Magnifico. Kasama po si Kapa Morgan and Wally Jan Bachelier, while Naga Casereños is trying to win this ball game right here, right now, para makuha na ang slot nila para sa finals at makalaban ang Kamaligan. Ito namang Goa Wildcats na home team ay trying to force a game 2 para bukas.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Waiting for the finals is Kamaligan, who is now sitting pretty right now, and hinihintay na lang kung sino ang mananalo sa larong ito. If Naga wins, they will advance to face Kamaligan sa finals. If Goa nga wins this ball game, we have a rubber match for tomorrow.
Yes, indeed.
Yan na, partner.
Unang possession sa ating second half ay para sa Naga.
Ayan na si Bang against Vibares. Bang, top of the key tray. Bang, bang, bang! Opening up the third quarter is Bang Sablaon with that booming triple.
Yes, a big bang for Bang Sablaon.
Ayan na si Vibares. Humihingi ng pick, gives the ball to Karurukan at the post. Karurukan spins up and under, gives the ball to Vibares for 3. No good. Rebound
Almost
by J.R. Kinyahan. Ayan na si Bang against Vibares. Bang attacks, kicks it out. Tiburcio for 3. No good, but nahuli si Lozada pushing Wemi Dinilla, and he was called for foul.
Yeah, well, on for the rebound, itong si Uwe Medinilla. Na-foul siya ni Lozada, and it will be Naga Casereños ball once again. 48-37, nakakalambo ng 11 ang koponan ng Naga.
Yan na si Tiburcio, gives the ball to J.R. Kinyaan for 3. Iron set, rebound by Lozada. Gives the ball to Vibares. And Vibares now pointing to his teammates, serving the floor, giving instructions. And Vibares gives the ball to the post kay Karurukan. Karurukan attacks Villaflor, gives the ball to Niduasa.
Missing.
But there is Kadir, but blocked by Julius Tiburcio. Grabe naman yon. Niduasa gives the ball to Vibares. Karurukan again at the post, gives the ball to Lozada, but misses the shot. Tiburcio secures the rebound. Ayan na si Sablaon, crosses over against Vibares, and one for Bang Sablaon.
What a speedy crossover, leaving Rap Vibares behind and making that good finish for Bang Sablaon. And siya pa lang po nakakapuntos sa pag-uumpisa ng ating second half. And that one was brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Yan, partner. Kanina pa talaga ito si Bang Sablaon. Finiface. Nakapapansin ko siya talaga pa-pacing lang siya kanina. And now he is there for the scoring load para sa Team Naga. And now this is the biggest lead so far ng Naga City, 37-51. And Vibares against Sablaon. Vibares between the legs dribble. What a fall away by Vibares, but misses the shot.
Grabing panghihinayang ni Vibares sa bawat binibitawan niya mga tira.
Yo, what a block by J.R. Kinyahan. And napatawa si J.R. Kinyahan. Sabi niya, sa isip niya, hindi mo ako mahihisahan yan.
Alam kong galaw na mga ganyan.
So I played so many basketball players.
I've been in this business for more than 20 years.
Yes, J.R. Kinyahan is in the industry for so many years. Talagang alam na kung anong gagawin. Partner pala, he hails from Cebu City.
Yeah,
si J.R. Kinyahan and
Cebuano itong si Kinyahan.
Yes, partner. Yan na Vibares. There is Joshua Villaflor to intercept the pass with the spin. And what a miss. Sayang, partner, pero good try on the part of Joshua Villaflor.
Tama. That could have been a spectacular shot.
Ayan na si Karurukan, gives the ball to the favorite teammate na si Karurukan, but J.R. Kinyahan secures the rebound. Ayan na si Villaflor. What a layup,
Finally.
partner. And hesitation on the part of Joshua Villaflor, but now this is a 16-point lead, partner.
And that one, hindi na minintis ni Villaflor ang tirang yon.
What a give and go play in. Foot back ni Raf Vibares. Kakala ko idang, partner.
Oh, that's a baby dunk na eh.
Oo. Ayan na si Sablaon, one-on-one against Raf Vibares. Tiburcio.
And steal by Abby Nidwasa.
Ayan na si Vivares, is rushing Vivares. Drops it up to Karurukan. Karurukan using the glass. And he was fouled.
Almost making that shot and a foul.
Foul number 13, Joshua Villaflor. First personal foul for Steve Foul. Karurukan is shooting 2.
Partner, Karurukan is trying to score talaga, but he is heavily guarded. So talagang medyo paputol-putol lang yung streak ng scoring ni Karurukan. So far, the lone bright spot for, I guess, Goa is si Plaza pa lang, yung medyo kanina. But he is now not yet in the floor. So talagang medyo tingnan natin kung ibabalik pa si Plaza because he started the spark kanina.
Oo.
Para makahabol ang Goa.
It will all depend on the coaching staff of Goa. Kung gaano sila nagtitiwala para kay Plaza.
Yan ang si Kinya with the fall away. Grabe.
That's his second time na ginawa niya ang ganong move dito sa ball game na to.
Grabe, sabi nga partner sa larong gali. Enka, kumbaga kain, partner. Ayan na, si Michael Pan. Looking for a teammate. He was heavily guarded by Tiburcio. Yun na nga, but stolen na yan si Jer Kinyan. Outlets to Bang Sablaon. Bang against Karurukan. Bang. Gives the ball to uwi. J.R. Kinyan.
Traveling. It looks like hindi, not a traveling, but it is a traveling violation.
J.R. Kinyan did not like the call. Yan na si Karurukan with the long bomb. Bang!
Yes!
Bang! Bang! Yan na nga. Medyo nabigyan ng hope o signs of life ang Goa with that 3-point shot, and the lead is just 11 points with 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining sa ating laro.
And that one was brought to you by Hotel Venetia.
Yes, Bang Sablaon with a short stop.
Lucky bounce for Bang.
Yan na si Vivares against Bang Sablaon.
Losada. Kadir.
Gandang.
Ganun lang dapat na mga tira ni Kadir, yung talagang napakalapit lang sa rim.
Yan na si Karurukan against Medinilla for Trey. No good. But there is Jer Kinyan to secure the rebound. Tiburcio gives the ball to Kinyahan. And
easy two.
And those kind of shot talaga hindi namimintisin yan.
Oo. 59-46. Nakakalaman po ng 13 ang kupunan ng Naga.
Si Michael Pan attacks. Wake.
Shoots. Wala.
Ayun na si Bang. Stops and pops for Trey. Bang! 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 Head. Yes, that 3-point shot is brought to you by Bang Sablaon and Highlands Legazpi.
And we have a timeout, partner. 62-46. Ayan, as we take a look at the camp of our home team, the Goa Wildcats. Ayan, nagre-regroup sila ngayon. Trying to find ways kung paano nila masa-stop ang bleeding being caused about by this visiting team na Naga Casereños. And again, ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. And kasama niyo po kami, Kapa Morgan and Jan Bachelier. Siya nga pala, batiin ko si Jock Bellarmino ng Arriba Iriga. Ayan, Jock Bellarmino, hello there, idol. Salamat sa panonood. And so as yung dati kong katrabaho na si Eric Baldo. Ayan. Palakasan daw yung team. Talagang totoo.
Yes, yun. Tama ka, partner. Talaga maraming nanonood. Siyempre, batiin ko ang Ranyoso family all the way from Taguig City daw who is watching right now. Na si Rico. Stops, but there is.
Out of bounds. Same ball.
From the baseline, Vivares. Karurukan now with the ball. Shoots from the Rainbow Country. Yes!
Grabe partner, yung mga tirang yun, kagaya ng aking pinsan na nanonood all the way from Dubai na si Paul. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Paul. Manood ka lang dyan. Siyempre, ang kanyang kambal na si Peter. Magandang gabi, Paul and Peter. Hi, ingat kayo dyan lagi. Ayan na si JR Kinyaan. Struggling to get the possession. Gives the ball to Karurukan. Ano si Karurukan? Padua is ahead against Mendenilia and was erased. Grabe naman yun, partner.
What a big block!
Yes, partner.
From the high flyer, Uwet Mendenilia.
Sa body language si Padua, partner, talagang masasapal yun. Kasi very, kumbaga distracted siya. Kasi nagdadalawang isip siya, tumira. So, tingnan mo, partner. Diyan pa lang, kita mo na. Nagdadalawang isip siya because he is aware na si Uwet Mendenilia is there.
Parang ibinigay niya nga yung bola sa taas.
Yes, yan na si
For
Rafi
it to be blocked.
Gives the ball to Consi Pan against Alvario. And stolen by Alvario and flies. And what a block, partner.
Grabe. Matindi.
Nagsalpukan.
That's the clash of the Titans.
Dalawang guards. Ayan na si Alvario. Ay, it is a clear foul pala, partner. Tama. And the stare down. Yun na nga. Pero is a foul talaga.
Oo. Talagang malakas yung contact doon. And that's a dangerous dangerous play for both players, both the defensive player, which is si Rap Vivares, and Jerome Alvario making that layup. And he fails to do the first free throw. Ang pangalawang tira, susubukan niya kung maipapasok.
Yes, partner. Umuulan ang aking messenger na marami nagpapa-shoutout. Manood muna kayo bago ko siya shoutout.
Masyadong mabenta ang messenger mo, ha?
Yan na nga, partner. Shoutout din. Yan ang tirang yan. Gustong-gusto yan ni Ronaldo Garbino, si RG Garbin talaga. Kapatid ni Compido. Ayan na si Rico and si Lim. Tangled sa ilalim. Yun na nga.
Merong sign na nakita tayo from the referee.
Yun na nga, partner. The referees are hearing now sa ating bench ng Naga. Yun na nga habang tinitingnan nila.
Yung double foul na it will be reviewed.
Ayan, yun na nga.
Tinitingnan
Yun na, i-review ng ating magigiting na official. And syempre, yun na nga, partner. Nag-chat ang ating butihing commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera, who is now watching.
Ano sabi ni
yun na nga. Shoutout daw. Com Lloyd, who is now in Manila, pero nanonood pa rin siya. Maraming salamat sa iyo sa tulong na binibigay sa ating liga at pagmamahal sa liga.
That's how supportive our commissioner is. So, saludo po kami kay Commissioner Lloyd Rivera. And siyempre pa, yung di na nawawala dyan, yung kanyang kapatid na si Boss Ino.
Yes, Boss Ino, magandang gabi. And yun na nga, si ating lady referee na si Rosel Ponting talaga nag-chat sa akin. I-shoutout ko daw. Shoutout sa iyo dyan. Hanap ka ni ano. And yun na nga, meron pa dito si Coach Jay De Los Martinez. Happy watching sa inyo and happy viewing. And siyempre marami pa tayong papatiin. Si RG Garbino is watching right now. Padi, maray na banggi.
And also, we would like to give a shout out to Coach Momo. Ayan, Coach Momo. And ang kanyang partner na si Coach Kyle Marilla. Coach Kyle, kamusta kayo dyan? Sana nag-enjoy kayo. I'm sure you are. Ayan, Coach Momo and Coach Kyle.
Yan na nga, while waiting for the judgment of our referees, talaga tingnan natin. Maraming nanonood. Ilan na kaya ang nanonood sa atin sa live so far, partner?
Ayan, so shout out na din sa PNP Medical Team headed by Captain Sanggalang. Salute din po para sa inyo. Ayan. And Jody, Miss Jody, hi!
And ito pa.
Take a look at the
crowd.
Sobrang init dito, talagang mapapahubad ka.
Sa init ng laro, pati init sa venue, yun na nga. And shoutout ang aking idol, si Carlo Caroche, si Kaontol, who is watching right now. Magandang gabi sa iyo, idol.
And, Kaontol.
Yes,
follower din ako niyan ni Kaontol.
Double foul.
So once again, Coach Momo and Coach Kyle Marilla, pati si Coach Boy Di Luna nanonood din ngayon. So yung tatlo, enjoy.
Yan natin si Earl James Romano, may-ari ng ating Suns, talaga nag-chat sa akin.
Pati si James.
Sir James, magandang gabi daw, nanonood siya while driving. Ingat lang po, ingat lang po, baka ma-aksidente tayo. Ngayon na nga.
And kanina po sa unang laro natin between Sangay and Kamaligan, almost na panalo sana by Team Sangay, kaya lang wala, talagang hindi pinalan. At nakuha ng mga taga-Kamaligan ang unang slot sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Finals. So anong naitawag? Ano yung desisyon ng mga referees natin?
Yan na nga si...
double foul pa rin.
Hindi natin alam naging hatol. Yun na nga.
But this I'm sure, Consi Michael Pan missing the free throw and they're about to take the possession.
Yes, yun na nga. Last na to. Si Archie Agnas is watching right now. Nagpapa-shoutout. Hi sa iyo, sir. Salamat sa pagsuporta, patunood. Ayan na, Goa is in the possession right now. Gives the ball to Culver Karurukan. Karurukan against Almario. And to shoot, he was bumped. Ayan na si Padua against Kinyahan. Padua stops using the glass but misses the shot.
Malayo yung tira dahil talagang very intimidating ang nasa harap niya na si JR Kinyahan.
Ayan na si Aureliano. Aureliano squeeze in using the glass, misses the shot. Gives the ball to Karurukan. One-on-one against Jerome Almario. In and out dribble. Karurukan using 11 and scoring for 2. And the stare down partner. Grabe naman yun.
Yan ang mga move ng isang Gilbert Karurukan for the Goa Wildcats.
Ayan na si Medinilla. Owe skying high and uses his leg with that layup. Grabe partner. Very calm and composed si Owe pagdating sa mga ganyang tira.
Tama.
Ayan na. Vivares.
Misfires.
Ayan na si Owe but there is Vivares to intercept the pass. Ayan na si Vivares against natapikan ni Jerome Almario. And ang bola mamupunta pa rin sa mga taga-Goa.
2 minutes and 19 seconds. 64-51. Lamang po ng 13 ang kupunan ng Naga, ang Naga Casireños dito po sa loob ng Goa Sports Complex.
Ayan ang Vivares, one-on-one against Medinilla. Vivares, long three. No good. Rebound by Owe Medinilla.
Sabi niya, sandali. Asan yung point guard ko? Ako na lang magpo-point guard.
Ayan na si Medinilla. Ayan na si Tiburcio. Nasil.
Grabe, yung lockdown nitong si Rico against the much bigger and heftier Julius Tiburcio.
Foul number 4. Mark Rico. Third personal foul penalty.
Yes, partner, pasensya na kayo at hindi namin kayang may shoutout lahat kasi hindi kami makapag-focus ni Kama dito sa laro. And now Julius Tiburcio sinks the first free throw and the lead is up to 14 right now with 1 minute and 59 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Sabi ni Coach Momo, mga idol pogi, Jan Bachiller and Alex Madronio. May mas pogi kayo, Coach. Yan, sige. I'm sure nag-enjoy itong sina Coach Momo ngayon.
Eh na si Karurukan against Almario, gives the ball to Rico. May pick na binibigay si Padua. Karurukan is heavily guarded by Jerome. Ayan na. What a defense on the part of Almario. Whoa! But a miss. Padua is there to secure the rebound. Padua gives the ball to Rico. In and out. Grabe naman yung partner.
Malakas yung tirang yon ni Rico.
Almario with the spin but not Aureliano.
What a finish for Aureliano.
Grabe to partner. When Aureliano is inside the court, talaga nag-contribute pag pinapasok siya.
Umaalagwa na po ang kalamangan ng mga taga-Naga kontra sa home team na Goa Wildcats. And wild shot ang binitawan ni Rap Vivares on that particular sequence.
Yes, tama ka. A very wild shot kanina. Yan na si Aureliano, 4-3.
Lucky bounce for this lucky guy. Number 5, Aureliano. Give me 5.
Ayan na, Karurukan. This is the shot. Yun ang partner.
Ang lalayo ng mga tira ng mga taga Goa. They're really struggling making those most wanted shots. 19 points na po ang kalamangan.
Ayan na, uwi, 4-3. Iron Jet, rebound ni Vivares. Ayan na si Vivares against Medinilla.
15 seconds. Argao Sable.
The ball was stripped by Uwe Medinilla, but the ball will go still with the Goa Wildcats.
Ayan na si Karurukan, gives the ball to Vivares. One-on-one against Medinilla. Vivares hesitates. Vivares attacks.
Finally, making that shot.
Grabe partner talaga. Ayan na. With 1 second remaining sa kanilang shot clock, Tiburcio
Nice
beating
play!
the buzzer. And that ends our third quarter, partner, with that buzzer beating shot galing kay Julius Tiburcio. And I guess this is the biggest lead of Naga City sa 17 points. Lamang pa rin ang Naga City.
Big minutes for Aureliano.
Yes,
as we
partner.
end our third quarter action. 70-53. Nakalamang po ng 17 puntos ang Naga Casireños. Kasama niyo po Kapa Morgan and Wadi Jan Batcelier. Again, sinusubukan po namin na maibigay sa inyo ang the best that we can para sa ating presentation ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur dito po sa ating tinaguriang Quadro Magnifico, the semifinals. Again, itong Goa Wildcats trying to force a game 2 para bukas, pero it looks like medyo the chance is becoming thinner and thinner. Lalo na ngayon, napapapasok na tayo sa ating fourth quarter. They're trailing by 17 points. What a daunting task. A tall order for the Goa Wildcats. But we will see kung ano ang magiging epekto, ano ang mga motivating words ang bibitawan ng kanilang coaching staff for them to spark up and mabago ang mga pangyayari sa pagpasok ng fourth quarter.
Yes, leading the charge for Naga City Casireños, partner. Hindi mo napapansin pero JR Kinyahan tallied 19 points, partner. Ganon lang pero 19 points na siya. Kumbaga, less effort on the part of JR Kinyahan but still producing points sa ating laro. And on the part of Goa naman, si Vivares with 12 points and 5 rebounds, and leading the charge for Goa is Gilbert Karurukan with 19 points apiece.
So napakalaking tulong talaga itong si JR Kinyahan, Mr. Anli Rice.
Extra Rice.
Oh, extra rice pala. I'm sorry, extra rice pala, hindi Anli Rice. Offensively, yun nga, meron siyang big 19 points. At saka yung presence niya in the middle ay talagang nagbibigay ng threat para sa mga sa offense naman itong Goa Wildcats, who's struggling right now, and we're just hoping na mabago ang situation as we start our fourth and final quarter. Nice play there, but Padua couldn't make the shot.
Foul number 13. Amanda Padua. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Yan na, Aureliano inbounding the ball, gives to Bang sa Blaon. Yan na, talagang Aureliano, top of the key, attacks, lobs it off to Sam Madridano, but misses the shot, but there,
There's a block, but there's a foul also.
Foul number 24, Ryan Lozada. Fourth personal foul, second team foul.
Grabe, partner. Quality minutes on the part of Mon Aureliano.
Yes, indeed.
Producing points, and siyempre on the defensive side talaga guarding those Vibares and Karuruka. Now, hinahanap natin kanina si Plaza, who is inserted right now in the lineup. Tingnan natin if he will work wonders for the team and add scoring pagdating sa Team Goa.
We will see.
Ayan na si Vibares. Grabe to partner si Almario, sacrificing his offense talaga just to guard this high scoring na si Vibares, partner.
Malaki ang malaking factor yung heavy defense nitong si Jerome Almario sa scoring machine na si Ram Vibares. Pinasok na si Plaza, partner.
Ayan na si Plaza. Sayang, partner. Medyo panira na on the part ni Plaza, but yun na, he opted to pass because siguro na-disrupt yung kanyang opensa dahil talagang malalaki ang players ng Naga City. Ayan na si Liam. Double team by two white shirts. Stolen by Lozada. But Sam Madridano secures the possession. Asuer kicks the ball to Aureliano. Aureliano attacks.
And was fouled.
Grabe yung puso ng batang to, partner. Talagang napakatapang.
If he cannot make those shots, at least he will fish fouls and disc plays for his teammates. Napaka-effective itong si Mon Aureliano sa particular game na ito. .71-53. Nasa fourth quarter na po tayo. Almost 1 minute gone by.
Yun na nga, partner. Meron pang pressing defense sa pinapakita Naga City. Grabe, partner. Ayan na si Plaza. Bata talagang tinawid lang ni Plaza nang walang kailing-iling. Ayan na si Plaza. Plaza is rushing using the glass. And he commits a offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul number 5. Christopher Plaza, second personal foul, 15 foul.
Pero kung sa bilis din talaga may makikita ka, may makukuha ka dito sa Plaza.
Yeah, grabe bilis naman talaga. Pero in that case talaga medyo nangigilang siya. Kaya yun na si Asuer. Calmly 6, but there is Lozada to intercept the pass. Lozada is ahead. But a sorry miss, medyo maala talaga. Yan na si Plaza using the glass.
Good shot on the part of Plaza.
Yan na si Lim, double team, triple team. Aureliano is ahead. Aureliano drops the ball to Bang Sablaon and scores easily.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa iyo. If he cannot make those points, he will dish out.
Yan na si Plaza, heavily guarded, but there is Asuer.
.73-55. Naga pa rin po ang nag-e-enjoy ng kanilang kalamangan. At mas may tsansa para sa second slot sa ating championship or finals kontra Kabaligan. Pero buhay pa po ang mga nakaputi, ang home team with Abi Neduasa making those easy two.
Yun na nga, partner, a turnover on the part of Naga City. Ayan na si Plaza is ahead. Laps it up to Vibares sa ilalim. And partner, grabe, Goa is now in the penalty. But Naga City has 2 fouls pa lang para sa kanilang team.
Third personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. 15 seconds to shoot.
Yan na si Rico inbound, he gives the ball. Vibares, yan na pinasok na rin si Karurukan.
14 seconds to shoot.
Yan na, inbounding is Rico. Yan na si Vivares, may pick galing kay Niduasa. Vivares, one-on-one against Slim. Vivares attacks using the left hand, but there is Niduasa to clean up the mess. But a sorry miss. Sablaon is flying for two.
Easy money for Bang Sablaon.
Substitution.
7 minutes, 18 seconds po ang nalalabi sa ating fourth and final quarter. Pinidwasa pinilitan ni Wawi Kadir for the Goa Wildcats. Nasa loob na din naman si JR Kinyahan.
21 seconds to shoot.
Vivares for Trey. No good. Rebound by Julius Tiburcio. Gives the ball to Bang Sablaon. Bang is rushing. Stop for 3.
Short.
Short. Grabe yung hustle ng isang Julius Tiburcio sa ilalim.
Tama.
And I hope walang nasaktan doon sa ilalim kasi nandaganan niya yung mga fans na nandun. Sana wala mga bata doon sa ilalim kasi talagang delikado yan.
Ay, hindi pwede. Kung ikaw isang magulang, hindi mo hahayaang dyan po pwesto ang iyong mga maliliit na anak.
Sadly, meron nakapwesto doon sa gilid.
Ay, nako.
Na bata yan
Bad.
Almario. Misses the 3-point bomb. Ayan na si Vivares.
Oops. Ano yung itawag? Mukhang na-foul. Itong si Julius Tiburcio away from the ball.
No, the foul is on Julius Tiburcio.
Kaya.
He was fouled. He fouled Losada.
He fouled Losada.
Ayan na naman. Yung monitor ng ating IRS nandito sa likod kasi dun kanina nakapuswesto yun. Kaso daming tao. So talagang double ang effort na pinapakita ng mga referees just to see what is happening inside the court.
What's the actual happenings. Yan ang kagandahan ng modern technology na meron tayo kahit dito sa basketball talagang dumating kaya ang panahon, coach, na yung mga referees, mga AI.
Malabo ata, partner.
Malabo ba yun?
Malabo mangyari.
Hindi papayag ang mga referees. Saka iba pa rin na may human it's awkward to say human touch. Okay, so nagpulong-pulong yung mga officials natin. And I bet they figured out kung ano ang mga nararapat na tawag sa huling mga pangyayari against Losada and Julius Tiburcio sa koponan naman ng Naga. Subukan nating mapakinggan ng maayos ang ating arena announcer na si JV Salvidar. Again, ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur ay hatid po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. And presented to you by IMBC, Infinity Media Broadcasting Company.
Yes,
kung saan tayo po ay empleyado, no? And ito ay para sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Siyempre, speaking of IMBC partner, patingin ko si Ma'am Russell is watching right now. Si Sir RJ talaga. Maraming salamat sa suporta sa ating liga.
Tama. Ma'am Russell and Sir RJ Edosma.
Number 24 of Team Naga, Julius Tiburcio, unsportsmanlike foul.
Unsportsmanlike foul for Julius Tiburcio. So yun ang
technical team ball for proper bench decorum.
Technical foul naman for improper bench decorum. Tama ba?
Yes, partner, tama ka, narinig mo. So I guess free throws should be awarded. Yan na nga si Bang Sablaon sa ating free throw line. Makes the first one.
But the possession will be for, I guess, It is for magpi-free throw din itong si Losada.
Yes, kanina dahil dun sa unsportsmanlike foul.
Unsportsmanlike foul ni Julius Tiburcio. Kailangan ko pa talagang mag-seminar sa mga ganitong technicalities ng ball game. You know what, partner? Yan ang isa sa mga ayaw ko sanang kaya ayaw ako dito sa kasi the challenge of learning new things. Although nagba-basketball tayo pero marami akong hindi alam and still learning up to now.
Yes, mas maganda naman talaga yung partner. Ako naman is I am still learning. Kumbaga kung anong meron dito kayo. Basta ang importante naman is to enjoy on what we are doing talaga. Yun ang importante. So ayan na si Vivares against Lim. Vivares attacks. Fall away. Sobra.
Sobra yung tirang yon.
And this is just a 6 minutes pa. So it's anybody's ball game. Kaya the Goa Wildcats should be composed right now kasi talagang malaki pa ang bubunuin nilang lamang in order for them to decrease the lead. Yan na si Almario.
And push,
kicks it out to Kenyahan. Madridano for 3. No good. Rebound by Vivares.
Still struggling yung mga gunners nitong Goa Wildcats.
Yan na si Lozada.
But not on the part of Lozada.
Against J.R. Kenyan, and that shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elias. Partner, this is just a 16-point lead. Very manageable. So, ayan na. Almario.
Mas paigtigin na nila yung depensa. Dito na kailangan yon.
Ayan na, Bang Sablaon. Waiting, Bang. Kicks it out to JR. JR attacks. What a pass, partner.
What a play.
A good two-man game on the part of JR and Bang Sablaon. Ayan na si Vivares. Vivares attacks, flies, and scores for 2. Grabe, partner. Grabe.
Ganun ang dapat ginagawa ni Vivares.
Yes.
Na dapat closer yung mga tira niya kasi hirap siya.
Yes, partner,
taking those shots away from the rim.
He should be aggressive like that na si Alexander Lim. Partner, paunti-unti lang ang score ni Alexander Lim pero babad na babad. Kumbaga, ayan na si Vivares should take those high percentage shots.
Yun! Ganon!
Back to back.
Attack the basket. Kasi matindi yung depensa na pinapakita ng Naga, kaya hirap siya.
Almario misses the 3-point bomb. Kadir grabs the defensive rebound. Ayan na si Karurukan against Almario. Crossover. Ayan na. Kicks it out to Kadir. Losada for 3. Rebound by Rico. Rico sa ilalim. 20 Sandira. Ayan na si Lim. Outlets to Bang. And scoring for 2.
Using the board.
And that shot is brought to you by Hotel Venecia.
4 minutes, 37 seconds ang natitira po sa ating laban dito sa ating Quadro Magnifico Quarterfinals. Laban ng Naga at Goa. Ito po yung ating pangalawang game sa ating doubleheader for ngayong gabi.
Yes, ayan na si Madridano. 4 against 2. Lim stops and pops for 3. No good. Almario with the one-handed shot, misses the shot. Ayan na, si Losada against Kinyahan. And the shot was erased by J.R. Kinyahan, partner.
Alam mo, itong si J.R. Kinyahan na playing na, naglalaro pa eh.
And ayan na, si Almario melting the clock. Almario against Karurukan. Almario hesitates, step back 3.
Bang!
Bang, bang, bang! And tuwang-tuwa ang fans ng mga Naga City with that booming triple galing kay Jerome Almario.
Balik sa 19 ang kalamangan ng dayo na Naga Casereños.
Yes, partner, I always admire this kid, si Jerome Almario talaga. Even he is struggling sa floor. This kid can shoot the lights out. Kaya naman marami talaga ang pumapalakpak sa batang ito.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
And maraming fans ang nagpumapalakpak kay Jerome Almario habang nakakashoot siya sa ating venue ngayong gabi.
Siyempre naman. And he's always been
and I guess
a standout for this team.
And I guess, partner, isa siya sa pwedeng maging candidate sa ating kasurog.
Player of the game.
Best player of the ball game. Nakakapanayimin ng ating napakagandang courtside reporter na si Miss Cassandra.
Kanina, matindi yung crossover ni Jerome Almario, no? Talagang iniwan yung defense.
Yan na nga, partner. The score is 85-64 in favor Eneas. Alexander Lim. Alexander Lim flies and scores for 2.
Using the left hand.
Grabe, partner. Plaza gives the ball to Consi Pan. Consi may pick. Binigay kay Almario. Consi kicks it out to Plaza for 3. Yan na. We are nearing the 3-minute mark. 2-minute mark ng ating ball game. Bang Sablaon is trying to milk the clock. Yan na. Sablaon misses the shot.
Rebound, Plaza.
Padua, what a fake. But I sorry, miss, medyo gigil na. Yun na nga, partner, si Aureliano. Tinulak ang kanyang kampi na si Madridano.
Hirap na hirap tong si Padua na makascore. Kanina pa. Talagang iba pagka ang kalaban mo ay itong koponan ng Naga. So kung mananalo na sila dito sa larong ito, talagang mapapalaban ng husto ang Team Kamaligan na sa unang game ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur ay sila yung unang nagtapatan at natalo doon ng very thin margin ang Kamaligan. And that's their only loss sa liga natin ito up to now na sila ay waiting na sa finals.
Yes, yan si Lim using the clock kasi against Michael Pan. Lim attacks. Lim kicks it out. But there is Plaza for the steal. Yan si Plaza. 1-on-1 against Villaflor. Plaza.
Matindi yung depensahan doon. Villaflor against Plaza.
Christopher Plaza. Third personal foul penalty.
So, tinawagan ng foul doon. Itong si Plaza.
Yan na si Aureliano. Quality minutes on the part of Aureliano talaga, partner.
Tama.
Talagang contributing both on offense and in defense. Talagang paulit-ulit ko sinasabi dahil grabe yung impact ng shuffling ng players ni Coach Nuki talaga. Partner, lahat na gamit ni Coach Nuki.
Tama, tama.
Same thing kanina on the part of Kamaligan sa ating first game. Lahat din nagamit. So talagang these two teams talaga will battle it out. And this, I guess, with 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Ayan na. Padua. Medyo gigil talaga si Padua to score against Madridano. But Madridano is very composed on defending this bigs of Goa.
Kaya hindi makuha yung mga tamang angulo nitong Padua because siguro nga talagang gigil na gigil siya.
The floor with the long bomb. Kaboom! And kisses to the crowd.
That's his second three-pointer of the ball game.
Yan na, Padua against Madridano at the post. Padua again with the up and under. Yun na, finally.
Meron pang pa-end one yan.
Finally.
Pero medyo the time is not on their side na because meron na lamang tayong more than a minute to go. 1:17 ang ating official time. Pero Padua making the 3-point play. Humupa na yung tao dito na kanina ay halos hindi mo mahulugan ng karayom ang mga bleachers ng Goa Sports Complex.
Yun na, Aureliano for 3. No good. Rebound by Padua.
Seconds to play.
And now we are now in the seconds to play. Plaza gives the ball to Rico.
10 seconds.
Rico for 3.
Wala.
Rebound by
Out of bounds.
The possession will go to Naga City. I guess it's safe to say, partner, na Naga will won.
Will face Kamaligan.
Kamaligan at the finals. Yun na.
And Kamaligan will face Naga.
It is all set sa ating first ever Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur leg sa ating finals.
And
Naga
again,
City Casereños versus Kamaligan.
And again, it will be on June 28. Tama ba, Coach?
Yes, partner.
June 28. And it will be a best of 3 series. So that would make it even more exciting. So congratulations! Sabihin na natin,
Naga
Casereños.
City Casereños winning this ball game, and hats off, partner, talaga to Goa Wildcats for giving their fans and supporters out here sa ating venue a quality ball game. Maraming salamat.
They've come this far as the semi-finals dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup. Kauna-una ang Ako Bicol Cup dito sa Camarines Sur.
Yes po,
and every Goaeños should be proud of their Goa Wildcats.
Yes, partner. And syempre, hats off sa mga fans na nandito sa atin.
Alright, and once again, pasalamatan natin ang Misibis Bay dyan sa Cagraray Island. Of course, Legazpi Highlands, Hotel St. Elise, and Hotel Venetia. And well, sa pangalan ng ating mga kasama,
and Facebook page Congressman Santiago. This is Serafina Camarines Sur semifinals. Brought to you by Congressman Santiago of Bicol Party List.
At ayan, napakinggan natin ang magiting na tinig ng ating arena announcer na si JB Salvidar. And right now, we're just waiting for the Kasurog player of the game dito sa ating Game 2 ng ating doubleheader sa ating semis dito sa Ako Bicol Cup. And would like to take this opportunity na pasalamatan ang mga kasama natin dito magmula sa ating mga strikers. Jan, Gawad.
Yes, partner.
Mga strikers natin.
Yeah, partner. Di ko sila kinoconsider as strikers. Kumbaga, they are the hardworking men.
Hardworking men.
And women of this league. Kaya, partner, simula sa ating hardworking men, papunta sa ating mga bossing.
Ayan. Maraming salamat po. And of course, our officials, our technical team headed by our director, Christian Calleja. Maraming salamat. Our courtside reporter na mamaya makasama natin with the Kasurog player of the game. And sino kaya?
Siyempre, ang ating,
Kasurog player of the game.
commissioner who is very supportive out there, si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera, talaga, who is watching, in his brother na si
Ino
Rivera. Talaga, maraming salamat sa suporta, and siyempre sa Ako Bicol Cup. And Ako Bicol Party List headed by siyempre ni Congressman Saldico. Maraming salamat po. And siyempre,
salamat din sa
si Congressman Jill din. Maraming salamat po.
And once again, congratulations.
Yes po, tama
happy
ka dyan.
wedding day. Hindi pa rin nagtatapos ang kanyang wedding day.
Yes.
And of course, Ma'am Russell and Sir RJ.
Yan na nga, partner. What an exciting Saturday, partner, we have today. Gandang laban up to the first game. Ngayon, sa second game. But this is Ako Bicol basketball talaga. Kumbaga, very entertaining. Yun naman ang purpose natin talaga.
Tama.
Is to bring basketball sa ating mga tao sa kanilang mga lugar. So, yun nga, partner. Nagbunga ang ating gusto na puntahan. Pumunta tayo dito sa Goa Sports Complex para sa ating Quadro Magnifico, and binigay natin yung magagandang laban na meron tayo ngayong gabi.
Tama. And almost pro na yung ating liga.
Oo, partner, talaga. Yung home and away talaga, yun ang pinakagusto ko dito, partner. Yung home and away format natin, talaga pupunta sa mga home teams. And yun na nga, partner, yung ibang teams din na hindi nagkaroon ng chance na maglaro sa kanilang hometown. So, susunod, pagbubutihin natin yan at pag-iigihan natin yan para naman makapaglaro kayo in front of your hometown.
Your home crowd. Alright, sige. Again, ito po si Kapa Morgan kasama si Wally Jan Batselier ang nagbibigay sa inyo ng kasiyahan, maibigay ang mga dapat na maibigay para sa inyong pleasure sa panonood ng local basketball dito sa ating Bicol Cup.
Yes, partner, it's always been a pleasure talaga working with you talaga since day one, kahit talagang yung pagod natin dito, binubuhos natin, pero talaga it's
all worth it.
Yes, it's all worth it talaga. So, yun, maraming salamat sa iyo, and syempre talaga yung walang sawang fans na nanonood sa ating Facebook and sa ibang social media platforms. Maraming lang salamat po sa inyo.
We had a record-breaking number of viewers online kanina, live online viewers na umabot ng more than 8K.
Yes, so 8,000 plus viewers. Maraming salamat po talaga. And yun na nga.
Pasalamatan din natin si Russell Siyat.
Oo, siyempre batiin ko ulit ang aking anak who is watching right now, Franco Miguel, Juan Carlos, good evening. I miss you.
And si Melanie na nag-aayos ng ating mga bagay-bagay.
Nagsusungit sa atin pag ako'y malikot. Hi sa iyo. Yun na nga, while waiting for our Kasurog best player of the ball game, yun na nga.
Sino kaya? Na naman, sa mga iniisip nating posibleng maging kandidato. Of course, pwedeng maging kandidato niya yung newly acquired na si JR Kinyahan.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Pero
nailed 19, sabi mo kanina 19 points, and nadagdagan pa ba yun?
Hindi ko na napansin, partner. Pero marami tayong candidates on the part of Naga because it is a total team effort on the part of Naga City, and kudos to Coach Nuki for those grabe yung tactics talagang binibigay niya.
Sina Sir Peter and si Coach Mark Vasquez.
And by the way, he's also part of our panel. So talagang maraming salamat, partner.
Lahat ng mga coaches na naging panelist natin, lalong-lalo na sa pag-uumpisa ng ating liga.
Yes, partner.
Ang elimination at saka yung quarterfinals. Talagang, I'm sure sila din nag-enjoy sa mga coverages na binigay nila.
Partner. May isa-isay natin gusto mo si Coach Ru.
Ayan, Coach Ruru.
Oo, si Sir
Ruben
Jogi.
Asur.
Si Sir Jogi. Sino pa ba? Si Paul Sepe, tayo.
Oo.
Si Coach Mark, yun na nga, Coach Nuki, Coach Peter. And sino pa ba kami nakaligtaan ako, partner?
Si Rogi.
Oo.
Ayan, si Coach Rogi. And of course, is Coach Sai. Coach Cyrus.
Yes, Coach Cyrus talaga.
Oo. Si Coach JP Deswanco.
Oo. Si
asan na nga pala yung natin doon? Yung may utang sa atin yun eh.
Relax lang tayo dyan.
Relax na naman tayo dyan.
Hi, Coach JP. Alam mo na yan.
Yun lang ang dapat natin gawin sa ngayon. We have to relax. At habang iniintay din natin ang magiging kasurog player of the game natin, for a possible chit-chat with him also as we close this coverage ng ating semi-finals dito once again sa Goa Sports Complex. Siyempre pa, pasalamatan natin ang local government ng Goa for having us here. And talagang kanina sa pagdating natin dito sa lugar nila sa Goa, talagang it's a festive atmosphere dahil yun na nga, sabi ko, ano ba, fiesta ba? Sabi nila, oo, fiesta ngayon. Yun, so sige. Alright, again, it's Alex Madronio here, or mas kilala, or kilala din sa pangalang Kapa Morgan with Wadi John Batsilier. And ito na, may hudyat na tayo from our crew na malapit ng mabunyag kung sino ang magiging kasurog player of the game natin for the semis, second game dito sa ating semi-finals between Goa Casereños and the Goa Wildcats, our home team, and the Naga Casereños.
Yun nga, partner, puntahan na natin ang ating courtside reporter kasama ang kasurog best player of the ball game natin ngayon. Cassandra, the floor is yours.
Team Naga Casereños is really serious in maintaining straight wins from the elimination round up until the semi-finals. And now that they are qualified to play for the finals, right here with me is Mr. Big Shot Bang Sablaon, our Kasurog best player of the game of Team Naga with 23 points, 3 assists, 4 rebounds, and 1 steal. Wow, Bang, congratulations for being the Kasurog best player of the game. Bang, if you remember, Team Naga faced Team Kamaligan during the opening game of Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, and now that you are bound to finals, magtatapatan ulit kayo ng Team Kamaligan. With that, ano ba ang dapat naming abangan sa'yo at sa inyong team? May pagbabago bang mangyayari o same plan and same play?
Unang-una, papasalamat ako kay Lord dahil nakuha namin panalo na to at walang nasaktan. Sa Kamaligan, ang inaano lang namin, mindset lang namin every game na underdog kami, wala pa kami napapatunayan. And same sa Kamaligan kasi nung first game namin, kulang-kulang sila. Tapos may mga veterano din sila. Yun, parang ang ano ng laban, hindi mo talaga alam kung sino kasi kami, lalo na ako, na-challenge and every sa teammates ko na-challenge din kasi mga veterano yun parang nakaka-challenge at nakakagana maglaro kasi alam namin malalakas sila So, yun ang mindset namin sa finals.
Ayan, we also have our commentators in the panel for some additional questions. Coach Jan and DJ Morgan, pasok.
Bang, congratulations for being nakasurog best player. Suki, partner Dami nating best player. Ayan yun ang partner. Kita ko, pansin ko kanina talagang yung pinipace mo lang yung laro ngayon. Pero come the second half talagang bumulusok yung scoring mo. Ano yung naging mindset mo, partner, sa larong ito?
Iba rin po kasi pag nakapag ng presence ng isang 16-year veteran PBA. Kahit hindi siya magsalita, parang kung makita mo lang siya maglaro, magagaganaan ka kasi siya may napatunayan Kami, mga amateur pa lang kami. So, siguro yun ang naging ko na bumawi kasi yun nga, lopsided yung first half ko. Hindi masyadong gaanong effective. So, yun po yung naging mindset ko nung second half.
So, malaking factor or motivating factor itong ang inyong newly acquired or newly acquisition na si JR Kinyahan para sa iyo, Bang,
Opo.
And kanina sa pre-game, sabi mo, while si Cassandra ay nagtatanong sa iyo, sabi mo, enjoy lang. And it seemed like ganun ka kampante sa larong ito or ganun ka taas ang confidence mo sa magiging laban nyo. But right now, you were saying na underdog kayo when it comes sa finals with Kamaligan. Bakit ganon?
So since po lang po magsimula yung laro namin, ay itong Ako Bicol, yun na po yung sinasabi ng coaching staff, sila Coach Nuki na underdog kami. Like underdog mentality lang, hindi kami mag-aano kung sino man yung teammate namin or may mga napatunayan na sila. Like back to zero lang po. Play the game the right way, play hard, and kung ano man po yung resulta na yun ang mga tatanggapin po namin.
Do you think yung pagiging underdog mentality ay nagdadagdag ng hunger nyo for the championship?
For sure po, kasi syempre challenge sa amin, lalo sa amin na mga amateur pa lang. Siguro yun ang challenging part kasi harapin namin yung mga may napatunayan sa mga veterano po. So, looking forward po sa challenge sa finals.
Well, Bang, congratulations once again and good luck sa finals. Partner, meron ka pang sasabihin?
Congratulations, partner. Cassandra, take it away.
Thank you very much, Coach Jan and DJ Morgan. And once again, congratulations for being the Kasurog Best Player of the Game. Bang, may gusto ka bang batian o pasalamatan? Go ahead.
Unang-una po, binabati ko yung family ko sa Pulangi, Mama, Lem, si Kuya sa Manila. And yung family ko po na nasa Manila din, sila Lola, Lolo, Ate Deng, Kuya. Lahat po sila na sa Bulacan. Mga tito ko sa Pulangi, tita, mga pinsan. Lahat. Saka si Coach Momo, NCF Tigers, Coach. And si Mayor din po na walang sawang suporta, mga coaching staff po namin, mga teammates. And then sa girlfriend ko po, na walang sawang suporta, kay Mayo. Hi, May.
Ayan, thank you very much and congratulations. That's the end of our ball game tonight. We thank you for supporting Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.